See this copper line? Now this goes right outside, and that's because it goes out to a hose bib. And I've got one of those covers, you know, for the winter. It's got like styrofoam, you know, those little covers you can get at the hardware store. And I put that over in the winter, and then in the summer I'll take it off. But underneath the house, could this ever possibly freeze? Depending how cold it gets outside and stuff. And I told Momi I would go ahead and any copper that's underneath the house, I'm gonna put the pipe wrap. It comes in 8-foot long pieces, I think, and it's got a slit in it, and then you fit it over that, and then at the angles I would cut it out of 45. Some people try to fold it over, but then it opens up. So, man, they should have put another strap right there too. They've got this just dangling from here to there. The inspector should have made them put a block from the top here down to there, re-support it, but he didn't. He let it go with just having that strap, and then every 4 feet there's a strap, it looks like. But yeah, that'll be something else later on. I'll do that, especially for the hot and cold water in the house. If I have insulation wrap on there, it's just going to be a good thing for summer and winter. Because like I say, about half the house is done like that, and half underneath is not. And I'm not sure what the deal was with that, but I'm going to be on the safe side, and I'm going to do it all. All right, back to our project. I got that one. I got that light screwed up there. I got that box screwed up. Now I'm going to take everything back to where I'm going to put the light in. I'm going to start running wire on the other side of that box that we installed, that two gang box, where I'm going to put the light switch for this and an electrical outlet, and the power is coming in over there. Okay, that's coming up next. And I'm still working here, but when I get that done, I'll have that all cleaned up. I assured her, yes, when I get all done, it's going to look like I was never here. And that's the goal every time I do a project, and hopefully that's yours too. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.